What is online marketing? In this video, that's exactly what we're going to find out. Hey, this is Scott Young. Stick around to find out what online marketing is. Before we jump into it, I want to let you know about my #1 recommendation for making money online right now. I'll drop a link in the description below this video so you can check it out. Let's get to it. Online marketing is the practice of using web-based channels to spread a message about a company's brand, products, or services to its potential customers. Methods and techniques used for online marketing include email, social media, display advertising, SEO, Google AdWords, and more. The goal of marketing is to reach potential customers through the channels they spend their time on, like reading, searching, shopping, and connecting online. The widespread adoption of the internet for business and personal purposes has created new channels for advertising and marketing activities. Now, there are many advantages and challenges in online marketing, which primarily uses digital media to attract, retain, and convert virtual visitors into customers. Online marketing differs from traditional marketing, which historically has included media like print ads, billboards, television, and radio. Remember that stuff? As online marketing channels emerged, the cost of marketing a product or service was often prohibitive and traditionally difficult to measure. Think of a national television advertising campaign that is measured by consumer focus groups to try to determine brand awareness levels. Today, anyone with an online business can do online marketing by creating a website or creating customer acquisition campaigns at minimal cost or even free. These marketing products and services also have the opportunity to experiment with optimization so they can improve their campaign and return on investment. Now, a key benefit of using online channels to market a business or product is the ability to measure the impact of a particular channel and how visitors generated through different channels interact with the website or a landing page and their experience. From visitors who convert to paying customers, more analysis can be performed to determine which channels are most effective in attracting these valuable customers. Using analytics, you can determine which online marketing channels are the most profitable for acquiring customers. Now, there are a number of tools that can be used to create and maintain a strong online marketing program. Some of these are email marketing, social media marketing, SEO, display ads such as LinkedIn and Google Display Ads Network, search engine marketing, online events and webinars, content marketing, video marketing, and affiliate marketing, and a ton of others. Here's a few examples of online marketing campaigns. One would be Canon, and they might advertise search terms related to photography on Google search engines or Yahoo and Bing to market their cameras to relevant audiences and drive traffic to a specific webpage. Or take Whole Foods. They might collect email addresses on its website to create email lists that they could use to announce new products, sales, and events at its stores. And one more, let's say Dove, which creates and shares video ads with their audience on Facebook and Twitter and other social media platforms to encourage positive conversations about their brand and their products. Online marketing creates many opportunities for businesses to increase their online presence and build their audience. There are also some challenges with these online marketing methods. First of all, marketing can become impersonal due to the virtual nature of the message and the content. Marketers need to base their online marketing strategy with a solid understanding of their customers' needs and their preferences. Online marketing can also be crowded and competitive. Although the opportunities to provide goods and services are presenting exciting opportunities, competition can be very significant. The first step to beginning with online marketing and advertising is to assess your plans and what you want to achieve and make sure that they're measurable. Are you hoping to sign 100 new clients or generate 1,000 leads in your sales funnel or build an email subscriber base of 10,000 people or whatever it is? After you have your goal, you want to figure out a way to put together an internet presence that enables you to achieve the goal and create advertising and marketing methods for those channels. So maybe you want to create an e-commerce site, or if you're interested in starting a blog to drive traffic to and get subscribers and sales, or maybe it's marketing content on social media channels and building an audience there. I hope this makes sense. I hope this is clicking with you on actually what online marketing is. And if this was helpful in any way, hit that like button down below and subscribe and click the bell to get all my latest videos. And if you want to learn how to leverage online marketing into a full-time six-figure income online, I'll drop a link below this video for my #1 recommendation for generating income online. It's the exact blueprint for succeeding with online marketing. And in the link, you'll find the training and the mentorship from a team that's actually helped thousands of people start successful online businesses. Check out the link in the description below this video. No pressure, it's totally up to you. I'll see you in the next one.